Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Google Forms with Microsoft Excel. First things first, we have to create or log into our Google account or Google Forms account so we can proceed to the integration. Once we're in here at docs.google.com/forms, we'll soon find out that we are not able to make this integration work straight through Google Forms. So we are going to use third-party app. In this case, it's Automate.io. I will leave the link in the description underneath this video. Once we're in here, let's go to integration on the top corner of our screen. And once this pop-up window show up, let's go to the bottom left part of it and click on See All Categories. At App Integrations, we want to start writing down the first app that we want to integrate, which will be Google Forms. Like this. And now we have to pick its counterpart, which will be Microsoft Excel. Straight away, we are greeted with popular integrations that are pre-made for us by Automate.io. But if you won't be able to pick from two of those, keep scrolling down so you can create your own integration. Just remember, on the left part, underneath the triggers, you want to start with Google Forms, not with Microsoft Excel. On the opposite side though, you really want to go with Microsoft Excel now, underneath the actions. All you have to do now is click on Try It Now button. You'll get redirected to Sign Up page. And the last thing that you have to do is log in or register into your account at Automate.io, and you are a few clicks away from finishing this integration. We can also use Zapier.com, which is a very similar app to Automate.io. Once you create an account here, let's go to the top left corner and create Zap. As you can see, there's a trigger we have to start with, which will be Google Forms. Trigger event, we have two options now, so let's go with the first one. Now we have to choose an account, so let's go with the one that we created. Continue. Now we have to set up a trigger from all the worksheets that we have going. Let's go with like this one. The only option is that pie chart. Continue. And now we can test the trigger between Forms and Zapier itself. Let's click on the second action. As you probably thought, it will be Excel. Like this, we have to pick the action, continue, and now we just have to sign into Microsoft Excel, and that's about it. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video.